Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. In this class, we will discuss about the logical operators in JavaScript, friends. So, the logical operators, what it can do means the logical operations are performed over the operands, friends. So, what are those logical operations? Means we already know from our school days the logical operators are and, or, not. Okay, so the and symbol is mentioned like this, two ampersands. Okay, and the or symbol is two pipes side by side, and the not symbol is exclamatory mark. Okay, this has a special meaning uh, to the interpreter. We cannot use these operators or keywords in and as a variable names, friends. Okay, so this is the operator for and, this is the operator for or, and this is the operator for not. So what is and logic? Let me discuss about and logic first. So and logic means, so it only outputs true if both x and y are statements are true. Then only the output will be true. If even a single value of x or y is false, then simply it outputs false. Okay, what is unlogic means, it only outputs true if and only if the x and y both statements are correct. Even if one statement in these two is false, then it will output false. Okay, and then or what is or logic means, it outputs true even one of the statements of x or y is true. Even one statement is true, then it simply outputs true. Okay, if both the statements is false, then only it outputs false. Okay, so that is called or logic. And the not logic is, it simply invert the statement status. Okay, if it is true, it is, it makes it false. If it is false, it makes it as true. Okay, so it's simply not logic, it's an inversion. Okay, right, let me switch over to the VS code and demonstrate the logical operators, friends. Okay, let me clear the terminal also. uh, Let me increase the font size for the terminal so that text editor, where is terminal? Here, editors only. One minute, let me search for terminal. Okay, uh, okay, here the terminal font size is 14. I am increasing it to 20. Okay, so it is good for us to see the result. Let me clear. Okay, increase it, clear. Okay, now so logical operators, right? Take yes, say x is equal to some statement like true. Okay, true, and where say suppose say, let us take x is equal to 10 and then y is equal to some 15. Okay, now let us use the logic. Console and logic, right? Let us take one more. Z is equal to some say 5. Okay, so these are the three variables we are having. Let us use it directly. Log of this statement. I am embedding the result directly. Okay, I am making it so is x is greater than y, or it may lead to confusion. Let us take it at result. Result is equal to first x greater than y. Okay, and we are going for and then x greater than z. Okay, this is the logic. Okay, this is result number 1, and then result 2 is equal to is the same x, r, the r means pipe, and x greater than z, and the result, let me or result, let me call it as and result. This is not result for knowing. So the not of x greater than y. Okay, so according to our and logic, if both the statements are true, then only it will output as true. Let me evaluate. X is greater than y, so x is 10 and y is 15. So 10 is greater than 15, it is false. Then it simply gives the output as false. It doesn't care about the second operand, whether it is true or not. If one of its inputs is false, then it simply outputs false as a its result. That is the AND logic. So x is greater than z. So yes, x is greater than z only. 10 is greater than 5. It is true, but one of its output is false here. So for AND logic, if one of the outputs is false, then it simply outputs false. Okay. So let us, the output is false. And then what is the output of OR here? What is first of all OR logic? OR logic is if one of its inputs is true, then it simply outputs a true. Okay, let us evaluate it. X greater than y, 10 greater than 15, it is false. Okay, first it is false, and then what is the second expression? X greater than z, 10 is greater than 5, yes, true. So according to our logic, if one of its input is true, then the output is true. Okay, so here it's one of the statements is true, then the output will become true, friends. So here true will be the output. Here what will be the output? X is greater than y. X is not greater than y because 10 is not greater than 15. It is false actually, but we used not symbol, so it will make false as true and true as false. So it is actually false, but it will output true. Okay, let me type and result, then console.log our result, and then what, console.log then what? Not result. Okay. Okay, now executing. uh, okay, I'm not saved it. Now cleared. Cleared. Now I saved that file. Now I am re-executing it. Here you can see, so the expression is false, so here false, and the second output is true, here true, and it is also true, it is also true. Okay, so this is how the logical operators functions, friends. Okay. Okay, friends, this is all about logical operators in JavaScript. In the next class, we will discuss the other set of operators. Till then, bye bye. Yours Veera signing off. Thank you for listening, friends.